Well, the conflict between Israel and Hamas for long has made hearts bleed even in India, with several politicians raising their voice for Gaza and even staging protests in their favor. However, the Bombay High Court has now given a stinging response to the All Eyes on Rafah lobby, with the CPIM challenging the Mumbai police's refusal to grant permission for a protest against Israel's actions in Gaza, when the High Court observed that this is anything but patriotism. Dismissing the petition, the Bombay High Court says that our nation have enough issues within our country itself for us to be worried about protesting over issues in other nations which are thousands of miles away. Here's what the court has said in its observation. As far as speaking for Gaza, according to the Bombay High Court, does not amount to patriotism, saying that our nation has enough issues and don't want anything like this. And the judges opined that they are sorry to say that as far as when it comes to the petitioners are concerned, you are all short-sighted. You are looking at Gaza's issues, look at your own country first. Another rap coming in from the court which says that be patriots. People say they are patriots, but this is not patriotism. You are protesting on issues that is happening thousands of miles away. You don't understand what this could do as far as diplomatic and foreign affairs is concerned. Now, as far as the observations that have been made by the Bombay High Court, the BJP and their allies have called these as a slap on the face of those who put interests of Gaza and Palestine above the national interests.
बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट ने उनकी याचिका को खारिज करते हुए जो वो प्रोटेस्ट करना चाहते थे गाजा के नाम पर, कहा है कि पहले राष्ट्रभक्त तो बनिए, पेट्रियोटिक तो बनिए। ये वही लेफ्ट पार्टीज है जो हमास को प्लेटफॉर्म देती है, भारत माता का विरोध करती है। आज ऐसे भारत विरोधियों को कोर्ट ने लथाड़ा है, फटकार लगाई है और कहा है बी पेट्रियोटिक फर्स्ट। अब कम से कम उनको समझना चाहिए कि उनकी भक्ति भारत के प्रति होनी चाहिए, बीजिंग के प्रति नहीं और माओ के प्रति नहीं।
As the CPIM has time and again supported China, defended China, and possibly is receiving aid from China. Moreover, the CPIM has also questioned the credibility and patriotism of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and showing them the patriotism card by the High Court is extremely apt.
Now, this comes just after several such incidents have been reported in the past, where we have seen some of our netas rolling out a red carpet to Hamas or even raising Palestine's cause in the Indian Parliament. Now, as far as the High Court has been observing that look within, however, what has been the opposition and other political parties doing? Where Hamas's Khalid Mashal virtual address that happened in Malappuram, and that was a rally that he addressed back in October 2023. Priyanka Gandhi Vadra calling the Palestine told back to Parliament, that was in December 2024. Sonia Gandhi condemning New Delhi's silence on devastation in Gaza, and Owaisi ending his Lok Sabha oath with Jai Palestine slogan this year in June. Tetri is with us right now. Tetri, the court has also noted that foreign policy of different countries differs on the stance that is taken by the party and has also warned of potential diplomatic consequences.
Well, absolutely. The High Court, in fact, has given a very categorical reply on to the petitioner. In fact, the High Court has, let us check what point by point what they have stated. It has stated, that the petitioner should pay attention first on their own country. You should focus on the issues like illegal constructions, illegal parking, flooding. These are the issues which you should focus on your own country first. Then the petitioner, also mentioned about there is something called as freedom of speech, and they are just asking for a silent protest in Azad Maidan in Mumbai. Nothing more than that. And that was a petition filed by the leaders of the CPIM. But to this, the court again said that this is not something to be paid attention for when you have your own country. So that is why pay attention first to your own country. Very, a direct reply the court has given to the petitioner. But as you have rightly mentioned, Amita, earlier we have also seen that how the opposition also, in fact, asked the government the stance that the government should come forward and put forward their stance as to whatever is happening in Gaza as well. You rightly mentioned, like how Priyanka Gandhi also carried a bag along with her about the atrocities that is being carried out by Israel on Gaza. So all in all, politics, there was a huge politics also over this entire issue in India, not just in India, but in the previous session of the parliament as well. We saw that how there were war of words broke out between both the parties. But now, since High Court has given a very sharp reply to the petitioner, next we'll have to wait and watch that what happens. How do CPIM particularly responds to this? Definitely the protest will not take place, but they will keep on supporting for the kind of demands that they have been putting forward.
Right, but Tetri, as far as this protest is concerned, because when we speak of the petitioners in this case, which was the left, they have been contending that even if the protest went against the foreign policy, citizens in the country have a right to demonstrate as a designated spot, and a possibility of law and order situation could not be used as a reason to deny that right. This is something that the Mumbai police, as far as denying the protest to the left parties, has said.
Well, absolutely. When they talk about freedom of speech, freedom of expression, they mentioned about this also, that we just want to protest in Azad Maidan, and this is not for the first time, when such kind of request is coming to the High Court. Earlier also, to carry out protest in Azad Maidan regarding the protest against whatever is happening in Gaza was brought to the bench. But now, in fact, High Court has completely stated that you should first pay attention on your own country. As far as the protest is concerned, protest, they wanted that it will be a silent protest. It will not be a violent protest. But all in all, even if you have to carry out a protest, focus on the issues of your own countries. There are many number of issues, that you can focus, and that's what the High Court has to say on this entire matter. Future course of action, we'll have to see that will the CPIM be approaching the upper court to seek a permission in Azad Maidan in the state of Maharashtra in Bombay is concerned. We'll have to see what happens next. But you see, earlier also there have been protests carried out in the national capital by various student organizations as well, by various political parties as well, and they have also been holding a government accountable for not
So stinging observations being made by the Bombay High Court there while denying permission as far as to the CPIM to conduct these protest marches are concerned. Tetri continues to be with us because we also talk about what the Bombay High Court said. It further suggested that the party should rather take up local civic concerns such as garbage dumping, pollution, drainage and flooding. Look within. That has been the message coming in from the Bombay High Court.